Hey guys, remember when your smartwatches weren't even born yet? That was the time when real sport required only two things: iron will and a perfect timer on your wrist. Can you imagine what it had inside? Chronograph with memory for 100 laps, timer, dual time, date and day display, alarm, bright green backlight, 10 ATM water resistance, and imagine, all this back in the 2000s. Alright, let me show you how to set the time, but first, make sure to subscribe to my channel and drop a comment. I'm doing my best for you guys. Alright, now look for the mode button on the watch case. Press it and look for the word time on the screen. Okay, once you've found time, press and hold the reset button until the settings start flashing. To change the values, press the start button. Then select the current time, and that's it. You're done. Congratulations! You've learned how to set up your watch. To finish, press the reset button again. It's also the backlight, and you're good to go. Well, my friends, I hope everything's clear. Now I'm putting on my sneakers and heading out for a run. Stay sporty, everyone.